videotape. We got a situation going on here where it's who is gonna get the attention, and usually that ends up with me bleeding or getting bit really hard because I am not taking, I guess because I don't decide right or whatever. Which means usually, hello Kookaberry. It usually means Kookaberry wants the attention and he will do anything to get it, which means even attacking. Which is really kind of a drag. So I'm just, that's why I'm crouched down, because I don't want him to bite my ear off. Because he just came in here very aggressively. Because I've been holding Baby Joe. And I think he got jealous because I had the video camera out. I took the video camera out and they came in from their aviary. And so I'm crouched down trying to hide my ears from Kookaberry's sharp little beak. Hi Kookaberry, can you see yourself there getting taped? You're be on best behavior, okay? Because everyone's watching you. Everyone's watching you, little Kookaberry. He already bit me. He came onto my arm and just bit the shit out. Oh, excuse me. Bit the poop out of me. Ginger, that's dirty. Leave the bottom of my shoe alone. Now Ginger's trying to chew on my shoe, which is really bad for me because then it's germs. It's just, no, don't do that. They're kind of ears, really. No, Kookaberry, don't. No, Kookaberry. Hey, you guys. Okay, that's it. That's enough. That's enough. That's okay, Sydney. You're a good boy. It's this Kookaberry. It's Kookaberry's bad. I know, it's crazy. I know. That crazy Kookaberry. It's so crazy. Kookaberry, I'm watching you. Oh. Hi, Sydney. Hi, Kookaberry and Sydney. There's Sydney. Hi, Anthem. There's Kookaberry. There's Kookaberry. Oh, okay. What are you doing? I'm videotaping you. What are you doing? Oh, I think I know what you're doing. And I don't like it. Oh, Sydney! Oh, now Sydney's trying to bite me. Help! I'm getting help! Ow! Kookaberry just bit me. Hey, you guys! You guys! No! Help! I'm getting eaten. It's a bird pandemonium. Oh. Hey, you guys! That's enough. That's enough. Kookaberry, that's enough. Kookaberry, that's enough. Look, the whole world is watching you. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching. Yeah, the whole world is watching. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching. Oh. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching. Hello. The whole world is watching. The whole world is watching. The whole world is... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. There's Sydney too. The whole world. Kookaberry, don't get jealous. I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing? I don't know if you're doing too good. You got some evil plan. Uh-oh, I gotta go. Okay, this is good. Okay, I'm gonna sign out now before I get mutilated. Okay, I gotta take this situation into my own hands here and get myself in a safer situation. Okay, bye everybody.